Hey YouTube, wanted to do a video real quick on my van. Well, this is my newest one. The older one is there. I'll take a tour of that one too. But so this is quite clean, cleaner than what I usually, well, what I should have it. And I just got a couple of stuff I want to let people see what I got going on here. Ladder. Everybody knows about that hand truck. Got a pump. A lot of stuff you can, a lot of ideas you can get off YouTube, other people's stuff, but you kind of just know what basic things you have. Dryers, heating elements, washer, pumps, couplings, just minor stuff. Refrigerator stuff on this side, valves, thermostats, relays, start relays, stuff like that, fan motors. Everybody goes through one of those what kind of tools you need. There's plenty of videos out there. I just recently got this little bag. Works out pretty good. I was using this one. This is what I had for a long time. Still have some backup tools in it, meter, stuff like that, but this is my newest one. Just kind of consolidate all the things I need in here. One thing I will say, rechargeable LED is definitely needed if you're like me and forget to put new batteries in your LED lights. Just got this one not too long ago, but me personally, I always keep 1 and 2 because, like I said, sometimes I forget to charge one or the other. But I have, luckily, this one has 2 batteries. This one is pretty neat. I'm pretty sure you guys might have saw this in Walmart or wherever, but this is pretty handy. This is, it's only 4 volt, very small, but it holds all the bits in the most common bits you use in here. Now I have a 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8 drivers in here, so it's like you can do everything with the drill and not even go in your bag for any bits or anything. So I like that one. But yeah, just this video is really about just my van, what I got in it. Got a lot of various dishwasher stuff, thermal fuses, safety sensors, just a lot of couple ice makers for Frigidaire, Whirlpool, Samsung, just a lot of different things that I go through on a daily basis. That's why I'm used to having them. I'm gonna take you guys to my other van. Like I said, I just gotten this one recently, so it is quite clean. I got some oven stuff over here, switches and terminal blocks and some coils and just random stuff like that. Let me take you guys to the other van. Gotta get these keys. I'll take you guys from the back. This is a little bit more interesting than the other van. This is what kind of, I don't want to say started it all, but helped me maintain it all. So yeah, a lot of parts on this one. I need to organize them a lot better, but a lot of these parts are mostly new. Some of them not say used, but got to the job, replaced it, still was good. And a lot of times I get parts through warranty. You get to keep, some of them are good, some of them you just reuse them. A lot of ice makers, couple of control boards. So just a lot of, this is a lot more space in this one too. That's got my lift on here, dryer vent cleaning stuff. You see it's not even open. Haven't been able to get to it yet. Actually, a customer asked me today if I did it. And when you're running 6-7 calls a day, you have room to put more in there if you want to. Me personally, I I'm on my slow time right now. 6 or 7 jobs a day is plenty. When you're doing that much, you really don't have time for anything else, but a lot of parts. So basically this van, I'm not going to be running it that much, maybe once or twice a week. And this is going to have most of my parts in it, my bigger parts if I need to, and then most of my intermediate parts are going to be coming from this one. But want to just give you guys, especially if you're looking into get a new van, this van has space more than what I thought it would. Back here I got my charger that plugs into the outlet there. Like I said, oven stuff, pump. I don't really use the ladder too much. Step stool I use. That is a 4-in-1 battery pack, jump starter. So miscellaneous stuff. This is my newest steamer. I'll take it out another time, but I like the design of that one better than my older one. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of that. Oh, another thing, tools, extra tools that you might need. That's what this is. Just random, you know, Teflon tape. You know you're gonna need a sledgehammer. I actually did a bearing job today, so that's why you see I did a Cabrio bearing job today. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see everything that I do daily. It's at Mike Check Appliance, Instagram.com. Everything I do every day, I put it on there every day. So you'll see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So you can learn a couple things. If you have any questions too, you can get back with me. Yeah, so like I said, you guys take care. Enjoy your day. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right.